Uninstalling apps on your iPhone 17 frees up storage and prevents data tracking. Method 1, from the home screen. Long press the app icon until a menu appears. Tap Delete App or Remove App on iOS 19, then confirm by tapping Delete. Method 2, via Settings app. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Select the app and tap Delete App. Confirm to permanently delete it. Key concepts. Permanent deletion erases all app data, while offloading removes the app but keeps its data. System apps like Messages cannot be fully deleted but can be hidden. Efficient app management is increasingly important due to larger app sizes from AI integration. A recent Statista report indicated that 45% of iPhone users delete at least one app monthly to optimize storage for AI features. Eco-friendly trends also push for data minimization, with apps including auto-delete prompts after inactivity. In the future, Apple may integrate more cloud-based deletions via iCloud Plus subscriptions, allowing remote wipes. Rumors suggest iOS 20 could add biometric confirmation, like Face ID, for permanent deletions. Experts predict a shift towards app containers for better control over which components are deleted.